If you feel like your body's strength isn't what it used to be, that your desire has dropped, and that firmness is failing you, in the moments when you need it most, this video could be a turning point. There are 2 natural juices that, when used correctly, help make the penis harder, boost testosterone, and strengthen esothrexial power from the inside out, with no pre-made formulas and no miracle promises. These juices not only stimulate what your body needs to reactivate itself, but they also awaken areas that have been dulled by routine poor diet and time. Today, you'll understand why these juices truly make a difference in the lives of mature men who want more energy, more control, and more pleasure. Before we continue, check if you're already subscribed to the channel. That way you won't miss upcoming videos with clear and practical advice on men's health, vitality and performance after 50. And if this content is resonating with you, hit the like button. This simple gesture helps spread valuable information to other men who also need to regain confidence in their own bodies. Drop a comment too. Type I follow if you're already in this phase of taking better care of your health, or I want to understand better if you have any questions. Your input is always welcome here. Some signs show up slowly, almost unnoticed, less motivation to get out of bed, fatigue that lingers even after a good night's sleep, decreased sexual desire, and trouble maintaining an erection. Most men blame it on age stress or the demands of daily life, but behind it all, there's a central factor that drives many of these changes. Testosterone. Yes, this hormone is essential for esotheric health, but it goes way beyond that. It affects your mood, physical strength, focus, and even your motivation to handle daily tasks after 50. Testosterone production naturally begins to drop, which is normal, but it can decline faster due to things like lack of physical activity, poor diet, alcohol, sleepless nights, and chronic stress. It's common to hear men say, "It feels like I've lost control of my body." And in most cases, the answer isn't a pill, it's a natural reactivation of the body. The good news is the body responds with the right signals. It begins producing what it needs again, but it takes action. Small changes can completely shift how a man feels, moves, and connects with himself and with his partner. And when testosterone starts flowing strongly again, the effects are visible, your eyes light up, your posture improves, and desire returns. Naturally, it's like reigniting a power that was just dormant. The first juice is a precise combination of ingredients that work directly on strategic points in the male body. It includes chopped strawberries, coconut water, ginseng, fenugreek, and maca root. It might sound like a simple blend, but what happens when these ingredients come together is impressive. Strawberries provide antioxidants that protect cells and improve circulation. Both crucial for maintaining firmness and sensitivity in the intimate area, coconut water hydrates, replenishes electrolytes, and helps the body absorb the other nutrients more effectively. But it's the active compounds in ginseng, maca, and fenugreek that give this juice real power. Ginseng is known for its energizing properties, helping to reduce physical and mental fatigue. Fenugreek contains compounds that naturally boost testosterone release and help regulate blood sugar, which directly impacts male vitality, and maca root works as a hormonal axis regulator, supporting esotheric desire and overall stamina. This juice can be used as a daily tool for anyone wanting to restore motivation, focus, and performance. But it's important to remember it doesn't replace good nutrition or physical exercise. It enhances the results for those who are already doing their part, so it won't help much if you drink it. But keep the same habits that lowered your hormone levels. In the first place, your body needs stimulation, but also consistent support. This juice is the start of a process, not a magic fix. If you're determined to restore your strength, improve your erection, and boost your testosterone naturally and safely, the next step is within reach. In my digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality After 60, I've gathered practical strategies that complement everything we've discussed in this video. You'll find detailed guidance on how to combine nutrition, targeted stimulation, and simple care routines that reignite desire, increase erectile strength, and strengthen your relationship. The link is in the pinned comment. If this video already helped you, the book will take you even further. The second juice is even more targeted in boosting testosterone. It combines Niagara, grapes, pumpkin seeds, ginger, fenugreek, and honey, all proven to support male health. The recipe is simple: 300 milliliters of water, about 100 grams of grapes, half a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, a small piece of ginger, half a teaspoon of fenugreek, and a bit of raw honey to sweeten the skin of Niagara. Grapes is rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that supports the vascular system and stimulates the hormonal axis. It helps improve blood flow and reignites erectile desire. Pumpkin seeds, in turn, provide two essential minerals for testosterone production: zinc and magnesium. These are often lacking in modern diets, but are vital for hormonal balance in immature men. Ginger adds a natural boost to circulation and supports immune function. Fenugreek, once again, appears here for its ability to increase androgenic activity, helping the body produce and use testosterone more effectively. And honey, besides improving the flavor, also enhances nutrient absorption. This juice can be taken twice a day in the morning and afternoon. It doesn't cause artificial spikes or imbalances in the body. On the contrary, it works gently but consistently over time. The results become clear: more energy, more confidence, and an erectile response that follows your desire without stress, without effort, and without surprises. It's a simple, natural, and accessible way to regain what once felt lost: drinking a well. Formulated juice with ingredients that stimulate hormone production is already a great first step. But it's important to understand that the body works as a complete system, and if one part is out of balance, the results get compromised. It's like putting fuel into a car with a misaligned engine. The performance won't show up as expected. And that's exactly what happens when a man relies on one isolated recipe and ignores the rest of his routine testosterone. For example, depends on physical stimulation to be produced in larger quantities, and it doesn't take anything. Extreme weight training, brisk walking, resistance, exercises, or even bodyweight movements are enough to signal the body that it needs to produce more consistent movement. Activates specific regions of the brain and testicles that regulate hormone production. Nutrition also needs to be an ally. Poor eating habits, skipping meals, or overdoing processed foods cause inflammation, disrupt gut function, and block the absorption of nutrients from the juices. And without absorption, there's no benefit. That's why so many men give up halfway. They expect a miracle from something that was meant to be supported by other healthy choices. A solid protocol includes juices, yes, but also quality sleep, less alcohol, stress management, and a consistent workout routine. When these pillars are applied together, the body gets the ideal conditions to recover. And what's most interesting is this: once a man sees the first results, motivation returns and the desire to keep going grows naturally when testosterone starts rising. Naturally, the entire body responds as if it's finding its original rhythm again. The change doesn't just show up in bed. It's visible in the face, the voice, the way you walk, and even the brightness in your eyes. Your energy improves, your thinking becomes faster, and even daily tasks stop feeling like a burden. It's like the man starts to feel in control of his own body again. Sexual desire, once dormant, comes back with spontaneity. There's no need for pressure, effort, or artificial products. Erections happen more easily with more firmness and control that brings security, strengthens the bond with your partner, and breaks that silent cycle of frustration. Many men face alone, and the best part, it comes with more energy for work, more focus, and even more courage to make decisions. This positive effect also shows up in your mood. Frequent irritability, unexplained fatigue, and the feeling of always falling behind start to fade as the body responds better. The mind calms down, and when a man starts trusting his own virility again, his self-esteem rises with it. He feels more whole, more present, more alive. That's the difference of doing things the right way. When testosterone recovery is supported by good habits, it's not just long-lasting. It becomes part of who the man is. It's not just a good phase, it's a transformation that changes everything from the inside out, and the change becomes visible to everyone around him. If you've made it this far, you already know that the path to restoring your S3 sexual strength isn't built on empty promises. It's built on consistent choices. 2 simple juices, combined with habits that respect what your body truly needs, can transform not just your testosterone, but your energy, your confidence, and even your relationship with pleasure. Now tell me, which of the 2 juices are you planning to try first? The strawberry with ginseng, or the Niagara grape with pumpkin seed? I want to see your answer in the comments because it helps me understand what else might make a difference in your daily life. If this content helped you in any way, hit the like button. It supports the channel and shows that there are many men out there who are ready to take control of their health. Here the conversation is straightforward. No fluff, always focused on what truly works for men over 50. There's much more waiting for you in the upcoming videos. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and make your presence count here on the channel. See you in the next one. Take care.